Vande Matram. Yesterday I had started with West Bengal Medical Council and its issuance of medical certificates, registration numbers, that how they have issued certificate till the number 84,000, then the entire thing has been kept blank, and then again they started from 97,452. And I spoke about a doctor with a fake degree, Bazlur Rahman Mullah. Along with him, there are six more. So my entire question is to none other than West Bengal Medical Council, because they are the ones who are issuing the registration numbers. So I had said yesterday that today I will be speaking more about this gentleman named Dr. Bazlur Rahman Mullah. He supposedly passed from Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Memorial Health Science and Ayush University of Chhattisgarh. That is what his certificate says. He did his MS General Surgery and MCH in Neurosurgery. Now let me tell you about this university, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Memorial Health Science. It is a Ayush hospital where they teach you regarding yoga, Ayurveda. I will upload about their website. Number one, how did he get his MS in general surgery from an Ayush hospital? Number two, MCH. The doctors may correct me. MCH certificate is issued by those hospitals or medical colleges which are super specialities. This hospital, Ayush Medical College, is not a super speciality. So how did he get it? Second question. Third question. This hospital was established, university was established on the 16th of September 2008. And this gentleman is showing his pass certificate from that medical college. The year marked is 2000. The hospital was established in 2008 and he passed in the year 2000. That means he must have got admitted in 1995. Was there this hospital existing in 1995? Had they thought about the plan and the land? Had they bought it? The hospital is established in 2008 and he has passed in 2000. Remember the numbers. This gentleman says he has his MCH in neurosurgery from Ayush University, whereas another document shows that National Institute of Medical Science, Silchar, from there he has a diploma in distance course. Listen carefully, distance course in neurosurgery. Do you have a distance course in neurosurgery? And when you have a MS in general surgery from an Ayush university, why do you need one in distance course? That too a diploma. And you are practicing as a neurosurgeon too. After doing distance course, you are operating on the brains of people. How terrible is that? Now people may ask me, how did I get so many documents? These are the documents, and I will give some more in my comment box. His wife, she owns a nursing home. This gentleman goes and performs there and signs in the name of some other doctor. His signature, he puts it in the name of some other doctor. It is his wife who has complained to the medical council. She has complained to the police also. There are newspaper cuttings of this man having been arrested earlier. A man from Ayush University. I don't know whether he has really passed from there also or not, because his entire thing is fake. From Ayush University, he gets a MS in general surgery, and then again from Silchar, he does a diploma course in distance education in neurosurgery, and he does brain operation. So let me ask our medical council, West Bengal Medical Council, Dr. Nirmal Majhi, when you are giving a registration number to a doctor, don't you really check his documents? Or you just close your eyes and give it to whosoever comes? Because you are not giving him the license to practice. You are, plain and simple words, you are giving him the license to kill. This is what you are handing it over to him. The registration number is a license to kill people. So whom should I blame more? This Fazlur Rahman Mullah, who is a cheat? Or should I blame our medical council? Are you so ignorant? Dr. Majhi, you are a practicing doctor, aren't you? You yourself, you are a practicing doctor. So how come these things are happening from the West Bengal Medical Council? And would you please again care to explain to me why so many numbers are being kept blank? Is it so that such cases, their names can be filled up? I seriously have this question for Dr. Majhi. And I am asking you because you are a practicing doctor. Had you not been a doctor, I wouldn't have questioned you. How did this man get MS in general surgery from an Ayush hospital? A hospital established in 2008, and his certificate of passing is 2001. How did he get his MCH from an Ayush hospital? MCH is given only by super speciality medical colleges and hospitals, as far as my knowledge goes. So kindly care to explain, because this was my first expose. As far as I know, this gentleman also himself owns 4 nursing homes. And imagine the number of patients that are going there. Are they getting killed? Because this gentleman knows nothing about medicine, nothing about general medicine. He is treating patients. Are they going there to get killed? Today, my expose was on this one doctor. Today is the second part. I will be giving all documents for all of you to verify whether what I said is right or wrong. It will be in my comment box. But my expose will not stop. There are many more in Kolkata and in West Bengal, such doctors lurking around, waiting for gullible patients so that they can get hold of them and do whatever they want. Dr. Majhi, please, expecting a reply from your end. What Medical Council, West Bengal Medical Council is doing? Is it playing with the lives of people? Or is it handing over the license to kill to people like Fazlur Rahman Mullah? Namaskar, Vande Mataram.